the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make potato wedges. The ingredients that we're going to need today are russet potatoes, parsley, sugar, thyme, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, cornstarch, sea salt, and canola oil. Okay guys, so I have all my ingredients measured out. Before you guys cut your potatoes into wedges, make sure you wash them off well. So we're going to need 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to need our parsley for garnish at the end. You can also use dried parsley, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Okay guys, you can heat your oven to 400 degrees now. You also want to get a pot of water and you want to add your sugar to it. So we're just going to mix our sugar around so it melts. We're going to bring it to a boil. This process helps the potatoes to be crispy and golden. Now that your water is boiling, we're going to add our wedges. And we're going to let them cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes is up, turn off your heat, and we're going to remove our wedges, and we're going to lay them on a baking sheet lined with paper towels. Once you remove them and they're on the paper towel, allow them to dry for 5 minutes. In a small bowl, you want to add your Old Bay seasoning, your garlic powder, your thyme, and also your black pepper. And all we're going to do is mix it until well combined. After the 5 minutes is up, you want to put your wedges into a large bowl. Now we're going to take our canola oil and we're going to pour it over top of our wedges. Now we're going to go ahead and mix until they're coated. Be gentle, because as you can see, one broke. So just be careful when you're mixing it. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and take our seasoning mixture and we're just going to pour it over top, and we're going to mix this until everything is nicely coated. Now we're going to go ahead and take our cornstarch and we're going to sprinkle it over top of our wedges. Then we're going to also Mix gently until they're all well coated. Now place your wedges on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. Now they're ready to go into your oven, and we're going to bake them for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes is up, we're going to go ahead and flip them over. Once you have them flipped over, we're going to go ahead and put them into our oven for another 20 minutes. Okay guys, so our potato wedges are now done. I will not be adding any salt because mine are fine, so I suggest that you taste them before you add any salt at the end. So I decided to use dry parsley flakes, so I'm just going to go ahead and shake some over top. Also guys, you can pair that with some spicy chicken strips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.